Alright, so lots. A lot is a measure of volume of a transaction on the Forex market. One lot equals to 100,000 units of base currency. 0.1 lot equals to 10,000 units of base currency. 0.01 lot equals to 1,000 units of base currency. Also, 0.1 lot is called the mini lot, and 0.01 lot is called the micro lot. So let's have a look at an example. For instance, you want to trade the euros dollar and you want to conduct a buy transaction with the volume of one lot. That means that you will be buying 100,000 euros in that one transaction. The ask price with your broker is currently 1.23228, and that means that in order to buy one lot of euro US dollar, you need 123,228 American dollars on your account. So obviously this number is astronomical, and when we come to trade the Forex market, we don't have such money. How can we still trade the Forex market? Well, we'll find out about that when we talk about leverage.